Hi, welcome to Carlos M Kitchen. A couple of weeks ago, I made oxtail Cordobese style, and from the leftover meat and bones, I made ravioli, rice with beef, bone broth, and beef broth. And today, with some of that beef broth, I am making a beef soup with tropical roots and tubers. That's your bone broth, and that's the beef broth. So I started by peeling off the yuca. You hit it with a knife and made a cut only skin deep. Then you push the blade of the knife to continue peeling, and most of the skin should come off. I'm also adding a plantain or plátano maduro that is not a banana. Cut the ends, then cut in half and half again. Then run the tip of the knife and cut a slit on the side of the plantain. And for aromatics, I am adding mint. All of that bunch. I put the stove temperature on high and added the beef and bone broth. Now I am adding the roots and tubers into the pot. That is the yuca or yucca. That's quequisque. In other places they know it as malanga or yautía. It's another root similar to the potatoes. By the way, what do you guys add to the beef soup? Let me know in the comments below. And click on the subscribe button and like the video, please. I forgot to tell you that I am going to leave the video on how to make the beef broth at the end of this video. Now I'm adding the meat from the oxtail. Both the broth and the meat have a lot of flavor already. And last but not least, I'm adding the mint. That's a small bunch, but you can add more if you want. That is going to elevate the soup to another level. You should try it and let me know. So I bring the whole thing to a brisk boil, then cover it, lower the temperature, and let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the roots are done. As you can see, the plantain open up the skin. That means it's ready. And test the other roots by inserting a knife. I put all the roots and tubers in a bowl and cut them into small pieces. That is the quequisque, malanga, or yautía. With an apple cutter, I remove the seeds from the plantain. I just don't like them and they don't look pretty. And cut them into small pieces as well. Unfortunately for me, the yuca was bad and never opened up. It was a total waste, so you'd be better off buying it frozen if you can find it. It was a total mess, but I was able to save some pieces. Let me tell you that in Central America and Latin America, traditionally they serve you big pieces of the roots. But for practical reasons, I like cutting them into small pieces so you can feed them in a spoon. It makes it easier to eat. And I top it with the falling apart beef and garnish it with some mint. Don't forget to check out the other videos in my channel. I have over 200 uploads. And thank you for staying till the end. Chaito. Bye.